everybody. I have my huge bamboo plant. I don't know, I think there's many types of bamboos, and I'm not quite sure exactly which bamboo this one is. This one is so big. It's how many years old? I believe it is maybe 15 years old, and I've been cutting her down and rooting her, and it has been growing. Every time I cut it, it grows and it's touching the ceiling. I tried to put it on the table so I can cut her down. So what I'm going to do is just cut her down. First I'm going to peel off all these dried leaves. I just peel them off like that, that's all. Nothing rough, just peel them off. You don't need to be scared of doing something like that by peeling them off. And once I finish peeling everything off, then I will start cutting her down. You can see this one alone. This one I already had a cutting and it grew. Now some is from I think from another plant that I bought that it was small, but they still regrow and little branches grow on the side. This one also was cut down, and then we got another branch here that grew up. And this huge one that is touching the ceiling, I cut it here. You can see that I cut it here. There's two of them that I cut here, and it just grew and grew and grew. So this one is from the tallest one. All right, so I'm going to finish peeling all these leaves down like so. I'm just gonna pull them down and peel them up. Nothing difficult, just peel them up like so. Just pull down and it peels easily, that's all. Okay, so I'm gonna peel everything up. All right, so it's all trimmed up, and well, they're all taking out the yellow leaves. And now what I'm going to do, so the pot is like this high, and what I'm going to do is just cut them as high as these ones. So whatever is taller than that, which is just like these three. So I'm going to cut them down. Just this three, okay? Since they're tied up, so in a way it's gonna help me from holding the camera, because the stand is not as tall as as this plant. So let's see, before a node, so I'll just cut her there, okay? It's not easy with one hand filming and the other trying to cut her down. All right, there we go. So she's cut there. I cut her right there, and I'm going to do the same thing to the other two. All right, so I cut her down. Now it's not touching the ceiling, and I left this one, which is a bit taller. I left this one. I didn't bother cut it because it's not that tall. I'm going to change it to the other corner. It was always on this dark side of the corner right here. So I'm going to change it to that side instead, and that corner, and the other side doesn't take that much light. So I'm going to put it on that corner. So now what I'm going to do is, the cuttings I did is just the biggest one, which is the tallest one that was touching the ceiling. I'm going to make 3 cuttings out of there. So each node, that's where the roots should come out, these lines here. So yeah, so this will go in the water and wait until it roots, and then repot, and then I might sell those ones. I might sell them. And that's all, my friends. A very short video. Hope you liked my little tiny video. This is what I do. I trim them down and then root them up, and then either I put it back in the same pot or I sell it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you're new. Click that bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Follow me in my social media, and also follow me in the group. I opened a group of all my activities in the 3 channels that I have, and hope to see you there. And share your hobbies. It doesn't have to be only plants. Thank you all for watching. Hope to see you again soon. Happy planting. Bye.